Hello Bari, welcome to this video. In this video, I will share how you can get free traffic and make free money. And for that, as usual, we're going to give you two of our premium softwares that will help you in this system. So in case you have no idea what traffic is, traffic equals online website visitors. Now, what is the importance of traffic? Well, traffic is everything. It's the lifeblood in case you want to make money using internet. Now, of course, there are so many other ways to make money even without traffic. So many links of my videos of how these many of those systems are in the description. Go find them. But you can use all of them, any of them if you want. All of them are good, but still, if you don't focus on generating your own traffic, your own visitors to your own website, then you are leaving money on the table and you're basically building house on other people's land, and then anytime they want to remove you, they can remove you. Let's say example, Facebook. If your whole business is based on Facebook, you built your store, you built your page, everything is on Facebook. The moment Facebook decides to stop either their website or your account, your business is gone. So it's always smarter, wiser to have your own website and drive all the traffic from everywhere to your website. I'll tell you one example. One of the oldest employees of Facebook said in a video that Mark Zuckerberg did not try to make money from Facebook at the beginning. He only started to make money. I watched a video of one of the oldest employees of Facebook. He said that many times people advised Mark Zuckerberg to start making money from Facebook, but he said, no, let's get all the people on our platform, then we'll make money. And now you see everybody is on Facebook and they are the one making money. So yes, traffic is the lifeblood, and in this video I will share how you can get traffic 100% free, and this traffic will generate virally. Link in the description will give you two of my free softwares that will help you in this system. So did you like our video so far? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe and switch on the notification bell button, as this way YouTube will let you know the first when we will upload our next video. But yeah, let me show you first the significance, the importance of traffic. This is my vendor section on Warrior Plus dashboard. All these numbers you see are generated by the affiliates. So I have products listed on Warrior Plus and my affiliates send traffic and make money. So on the left, in the first column, the left column, these are all the affiliates. There are 6,483 affiliates who promoted my offers in this year 2021. And the second column shows the hops. This is the traffic. All these affiliates send this many hops, means this many traffic. And on the last column, the rightmost column, is the revenue generated from this traffic. Of course, the second right column is the commissions earned by the affiliates. So all this traffic they sent generated revenue. From there, these are the commissions earned by the affiliates. So now you understand traffic equals money. Now let's go and have a look at traffic and money, of course. Look at this channel. We are on YouTube. It's Sean Nailwanis. I don't know how to pronounce his last name. I like Sean's videos. Two reasons. He is interesting, and second, I'm interested in bodybuilding. But here is the most interesting part when it comes to internet marketing. Yes, the most interesting part is his content. He literally has no content, which means most of his videos, of course, he is a bodybuilder and he knows his stuff and he can easily gives basic advice here and there. All the advice he provides are all freely available on the internet. But what additional unique he does is he talks about other people. He talks about other health or bodybuilding influencers and he makes fun of them. He tries to show or prove his authority, that he knows everything. He is the most right person on earth. I don't want to judge anyone. I am not even a bodybuilder yet, but I just want to say that this is the foundation or basics of his contents. From my personal experience and common sense, and the little knowledge I have about bodybuilding, I would say that he is right in a lot of cases, if not most cases. The people he talk about and the topics he talk about are really controversial, but what I would say that it is one of the easiest ways to create content on. It's one of the easiest ways to create videos on. By the way, link in the description will give you the software which makes it super easy to make videos without being in front of the camera, without writing a script, without even giving voiceover, because the software will do everything for you. Link is in the description. It's 100% free for my viewers. Go get it, start making videos, publish and get traffic. I will show you how he makes money, by the way, and how much traffic his website gets, and that type of website, how you can build and make money. Yes, wait for that. But yeah, link is in the description. So yes, what about the content? This is what we do every single day. We talk about others. Two friends sitting, hanging out. They talk about the third friend. Two influencers meet up. They talk about the third influencer who is not present. That's what we do. We love to talk about others. What good thing they're doing, what bad thing they're doing. Most importantly, in most of the times we say what wrong others are doing. And we like to listen to those gossips. Yeah, he is doing some bad thing. That's total BS. I don't like it at all. It doesn't work. So it's easy. Link in the description. My software will make it even easier. So if you want to go to this path, you can do it. There are so many BS people, so many BS contents on the internet that goes viral. And if you pick those topics, viral topics or viral influencers name, and use it on your titles and descriptions, you will quickly start getting ranking on YouTube, free visitors, and from there you siphon your visitors or viewers to your website, just like Sean. So when Sean talks about others, he also says how his website can help you for free. This is the background of most of his videos. It's not real, it's just a green screen replacement. Anyone can do it, but you don't need to do it if you don't want to, because people want content, they don't need to look at you. And he always refers his website, as I told you before. And in the description, the first thing is his website link. So what is his website? This is his website, okay? And it is an interactive website, so you can do some measurements using the calculator, etc., and get some result from here. And then he asks your first name and email for the free program, just a basic website. Yes, I have a good news for you. I can give you a better software, link in the description, that will make you even more powerful website that will drive traffic almost immediately. I will show you the niche and I will show you how it works and why it works. Okay, now the question is how much traffic Sean gets from YouTube. Let's go to SimilarWeb, check the analytics. Amazing 823,000 viewers or visitors per month. This is amazing. Almost 1 million visitors per month on this website. So let's go deeper. Is most traffic are from US, Canada. Elite traffic, right? 43% are direct traffic, 24% search engine traffic, and 29% social traffic. We want to see the social traffic. 95%, let's say 100% from YouTube. You got it? So when YouTube users are using this website, Google is knowing that this website is an important website and they are ranking this website higher. And this way, 24% of 800,000 visitors are coming from Google search engine, 100% organic, 0% paid traffic. Super awesome or not? Let me know. By the way, Sean is smart. So he's not only making money from his website or his program, whatever the program he has after you sign up. There is an ad here. It's Google's AdSense ad. So if you click on this VPN or whatever ad comes from AdSense, Sean makes some money from there as well. And if you look at his channel's AdSense revenue, then approximately starting from $700 to $12,000. So on the average, he makes $6,000, approximately, more or less $6,000 per month complete passive income from YouTube AdSense. Wow. Now I have no idea how much money he makes from his program that he has after you sign up using the opt-in form, which is also very important, very smart, and very must to use in all your websites. Link in the description will give you a software 100% free that turns any PDF, ebook, or report into your opt-in page, into your lead magnet, into your viral traffic system without creating additional opt-in page or creating additional lead magnet without even driving traffic. Link in the description will give it to you for free. Go get it. Now I told you I'm going to give you a software that will turn your website into this kind of interactive website, which is even far more powerful than this. Here is what I was talking about. If you go to Uber Suggest and search with a keyword called translate, you'll see translate gets 3.4 million monthly searches. Translate English to Arabic, translate to English, these all have hundreds of thousands of searches. Even Google started their own translation service. You can get translation for free. But if you look at the second suggestion from Google, this is also a translation service. And on SimilarWeb Analytics, we know that this website gets 222 million monthly visitors. OMG, 222 million. 13% of that comes from search engine. A lot of traffic come from the keyword translate. So if you have a translation system in your website which is interactive, people can translate on your website using your website, then you will get interactive traffic like this. And when they will spend a lot of time, you will ask them to sign up to your mailing list using the software in the description. And when people will spend a lot of time on your website, Google know that this is an important website, they will rank it higher and you will get free traffic from Google as well. So from this video, you're getting everything. You will learn how to get traffic from YouTube by talking about others. My software will help you create videos. You learned interactive websites, get you a lot of traffic from YouTube, of course, and from Google, and it helps you build list. Link in the description will give you interactive site builder as well as list building software. All are free. Go get them all. And of course, you can generate money from your YouTube channel once you start getting views. And finally, you learned about a keyword translate that gets 3.4 million monthly searches. Link in the description. My software will turn your website into a translation service website. People will find your website, use it, get translations for free, visit more and more. Your website will be ranked and you will get free traffic, free leads, free sales, money, and all money is your money. I want you to enjoy making money. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you can make money easily. We share our ideas and the things that we do, and we share our softwares, premium softwares, paid softwares, 100% free for our viewers. You can find them links in the description, and you will also find our other videos links in the description. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you support our channel and you tell YouTube that this channel is good. They will push our videos, more viewers will get viewers, and you will get notifications when we will upload our next video. And we will see you in the next video.